Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. This is Mr. Connolly. In this little segment here, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a decimal to binary conversion. Okay, so our key objective is to understand how computers use the binary number system. And in this example here, we're going to be converting from decimal into binary. Okay, so we've done from binary into decimal. Now we're going to do the opposite. So what we need to do, and let's take the number 61. Okay, we'll take the number 61 and we're going to put it into a binary number. Now I always recommend before you do these types of questions that you always write out your headings. Okay, this will make your life easier when you answer the question. And we're going to start from the left hand side here on our largest column, and we're going to work over to the right. So on this first column here, okay, we've got to look whether our heading, so in this case is 128, will fit into our number. Okay, now 128 is larger than 61, so 61 doesn't fit in, so we're going to put a 0. Okay, we can do the next column, so 64. 64 is larger than 61, so 61 doesn't fit into it, so we're going to put a 0. Okay, on the next column, 32, 61 does fit into it, because 61 is bigger than 32. So what we can do is we can write a 1. Okay, we can then do 32, and we can take away 61. Okay, so let me write that slightly differently. So we do 61, take away 32. Okay, so we do our sum. So 11 take away 2 is 9. 5 take away 3 is 2. So we're left with 29. Okay, so we go across to our next column, which is 16. Okay, so 29 does fit into 16 because 29 is bigger. So we're going to put a 1 there. Okay, so then we need to do, sorry for this being a bit messy, so we're going to do 29, take away 16. Okay, so 9 take away 6 is 3, 2 take away 1 is 1. So we're left with 13. So we go to our next number, which is 8. Okay, now 13 does fit into 8 because 13 is bigger, so again we're going to put a 1. So this time we're going to do 13 take away 8. Okay, that's 0. So 13 minus 8 is 5. So we're left with 5. Okay, so then we're going to go into our next column, which is 4. Now 5 does fit into 4 because it's bigger, so we're going to go 1 there. Now we know if we do 5 take away 4, we're left with 1, so our remainder is 1 to carry over. Okay, now 1 doesn't fit into 2 because 2 is bigger, so this time we're going to put 0, and remember our remainder is 1. Okay, so 1 does fit into 1, so we're going to write 1, and we've got no remainder to carry over. Okay, so remember, start at the left hand side, work over to the right hand side, and you need to carry over the remainder, and you'll know that you've done the calculation correct because when you get to this area here you should have nothing left. Okay, and if you have got something left, that means you've done it wrong and you need to do it again. So we now know that if we want to write the number 61, so the number 61 in binary is 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, what I want you to do now is have a go at doing these questions. Now I do recommend, like before, that you write out the headings before you attempt the questions. Okay, so these are the binary numbers that you're going to be converting. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to pause the video, and in a second I'll go through the answers with you. Okay, so hopefully now you've attempted the questions. Okay, if you've struggled, before you go through the answers, I would suggest rewinding the video just to go over my little input at the start again. And just remember, start on this side, on the left hand side, work over to the right hand side, and remember you're always carrying your remainder over. Okay, so the answers for the first one. Okay, now remember, if you've done it like I've said, you will have zeros, so you should have at least 5 zeros in front of it to make, so it should be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, next one, 24. Again, you should have it 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. 86. Again, for this one, it should be a 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. This next one, okay, should be 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This next one, okay, should be 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This next one you would have needed to add in an extra column, so it would have been 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. And this next one you would have needed 3 additional columns, okay? So it should have looked 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now, give yourself a mark. If you've got them all right, that's great. If you've struggled or you've got the majority of them incorrect, I would watch this video again, watch my little input at the start, and then attempt the questions. See you next time.